No, no, it's alright. You can stay on Zoom, but I'm just letting you know that like what whatever we're gonna say now is like gonna be on YouTube.
Yep.
Awesome, bro. But no worries. Yeah, TFTM nice. TFT is the thing I like about TFT is the Discord. The very
Okay.
also you know they the CEO is very active on Discord. So like whenever I needed help with withdrawals and all that, he's very responsive.
Oh, that's cool. That's
Yeah.
good to see.
Uh True, yeah, but no worries, bro. It's always good to take a break. Me and me hardly leak. I mean, I took a break from
I'm,
streaming.
I'm, I'm well, yeah, I took a break and then Emma, I sent you the message on IG.
Straight.
Yeah, yeah. Anksman wanted to get back into it, so I'm like, okay, I'll cut my break and we go full send.
No worries, bro. Let me know how it goes. Just looking at gold right now. But you haven't been looking at the charts lately, yeah?
Not really. I traded GJ last week. I went short, scalped it in and out in an hour.
Oh, okay.
Made like what? 0.8%.
Shit, scale. Yeah, bro. Me, funny like I had a 450, sorry, a 50K funded account, and then I got the withdrawal, and then I bought a 400K account, so I'm not like 450K funded with 50.
Big boy.
Yeah, man. Sana, me look, me feel already okay. Me like I'm only streaming because I'm back in Palm, but if I go back to Palms, the network's kind of shit there. So
Okay. I'll probably get an account next week. So I'll see either the one you're talking about or I'll go back FTMO or both.
yeah, bro.
See what happens.
I mean, the FTM 8% only, and like with this, like when they tighten up things after the whole collapse of the other firm. Now everyone, like the CEO is very
My first
transparent.
one, though.
Yeah, my forex funds. So the CEO now is like, okay, no more slippage and all that bullshit. So yeah, but I'm very careful. I think the next withdrawal I get, I'm gonna try to diversify a little bit. Buy some of Panamel or UAE number. There's a lot of good
Eh,
firms
mm.
popping up. So
Oh, I saw this other firm. I'll let you know. I forgot which one it was. I think I saved it on IG.
ah,
There's this firm that will give you 15% back on a challenge.
oh, okay.
Like you're doing a challenge, you
Scale.
pass the account, they'll give you 15% back.
Okay. Hey, holy shit. Am I looking at gold right now? What the hell is going on with gold? It's like,
I can see it on your chart
yeah.
selling off.
Holy shit.
Damn.
Has that 2 daylight savings changed now? Just streaming a little bit late right now. Bro, just for the sake of these ones on YouTube, just gonna do a quick top-down analysis.
Go, I'm watching.
Yes, alright. So just checking if you have any high impact news coming out for Lana session. Nothing, nothing at all. NY, we have FOMC. This guy's speaking at what 1 a.m. tonight. Anyways, just gonna go straight to the monthly time frame now. Previous monthly candle kind of bounced off this monthly resistance at around the 1990 levels. Just going to indicate that with a white line. And we have this current monthly candle slowly starting to push down. Could I will see how it reacts off this resistance level that was formed on the 1st of August. So we're pretty much approaching this previous resistance level on the monthly time frame. Not too sure if you're gonna reject it or we're just doing a bottom wick on the monthly time frame to continue this bullish momentum from the previous one. So that's the monthly time frame. Jumping down to the weekly time frame now. Last week's candle closed bearish, surprisingly, after a couple of weeks of bullish runs. That bearish closure kind of actually not kind of. That bearish closure created a resistance at around the 2006 level. So we're currently breaking below the last week's weekly candle low now. But we're pretty much approaching this previous resistance levels on the left, which was formed on the the June and July. So we're not too sure if this resistance holds and turns into support, or we're just gonna correct some of these moves. So that's the weekly time frame. Looking at the daily time frame, we're actually trading below this previous support level now, which was formed on the 25th of October. So we'll see. We'll see if we continue trading below this support and correct some of these moves over here, or we're just going to grab some liquidity and start driving back bullish. But strong bearish momentum at this point. The 4 time frame is actually approaching a 4-hour resistance, which will be indicated with this green line here. So we have a 4-hour resistance at 1965. So we'll see if we tap into the resistance or not. But right now we're extremely bearish. I think for hey man, Ron, why do you think this thing is bearish right now? So yeah, I think we're gonna wait for confirmations on the lower time frame, see what's happening on the 1-on-1 and the 30-minute before we get in on some buys. If we're going to get in on buys, we're gonna see if we can correct some of this push on the 4-hour and the daily time frame. Extremely bearish, could potentially correct some of these moves. If we get in on sells, then we're just basically looking at corrections on the high time frames, the monthly time frame, weekly time frame. So yeah, we'll see. This 4-hour cannot close in the next 1 hour. Actually, 1 hour. So if I see this resistance on the 4 time frame holding, then could potentially get in on buys, but we'll see how this thing develops in the next 1 hour before getting in on some gold buys or sells, either way. Man, strong bearish momentum, bro. Did I miss something? Ron, what do you think about gold right now?
So through a couple weeks, the big push up with gold was because of the whole war with Israel and the Palestinians.
Yeah, bro.
So with that whole drama that was going on, it was pushing EU crazy. AU was going crazy as well. So everyone was just going into safe havens. So that was the whole big push up with gold. And I think because things are settling now, people are selling off their positions.
Oh shit, hey. And this thing is. We have a statement by Michelle Bullock's, something about a monetary policy decision that was 5 hours ago. But we're approaching this previous monthly resistance over here. So we'll see. We'll see.
If I remember correctly, sometime this week, there should be a cash rate for AU.
AU.
Was there a cash rate release from the RBA?
Yeah,
This week?
that was today.
Was this today?
Yeah, 1:30.
Was
Holy
it-
shit, this thing is pushing on the lower time frames. Holy shit. So you know what, bro? I might get in on buys, anticipating this 4-hour resistance to hold. Uh, we're also tapping into this monthly resistance, so I'm pretty much gonna anticipate this level to hold right now. So I got in, bro. It's an anticipation trade, but I'm willing to take it.
I'll buy.
Yeah, bro. Bought that shit. So this is basically based on the fact that we tapped into this resistance here, monthly resistance right here. So I'm just gonna anticipate price to stay above this yellow line over here. So my exact point of entry is at 1965.54. We could just continue tanking, but who knows? But since this is an anticipation trade, risk is pretty low. If I see some good confirmations, then I'm going to add some risk on. But holy shit, this thing is just tanking. Um, let's see. Got a one lot popped on this trade, so I think I want to risk $1,000. Let's see. I'm still getting used to this new computer, bro. Windows, it's been a while. Been using the Mac this whole time. This is actually my second stream with it. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna risk $500 with this. 1959.50 is gonna be where my stop loss is. We're looking at the 1 hour time frame. Pretty much approaching 1965. 1965 is a pretty strong level that we may bounce off. So let's see. Been extremely bearish. Created a minor support here on the 1 hour time frame. Broke out of it on the 4 p.m. candle. So I think we're gonna be good to drive now. Yeah, 1965 is so we exactly at where this 4 hour resistance is right now.
But that's a really sharp drop on gold, though.
Yeah, bro. I think it's gonna keep going, but I'm just anticipating this resistance to hold. Really don't have any confirmations yet. Uh,
Let me try log into my news squawk to see if anything happened during the day.
yeah, bro. What did you say you were logging into, bro?
My news squawk.
Is that
Yeah, yeah. It's just high speed news for, and then you can tune it to whatever you want. If you want stocks news, so company statement like profit statement releases or their expectations on if they're liquidating shares or any stuff that's related to shares, you get those news first. If you tune it for FX, then anything that's geopolitical, anything that can affect the currency gets shot straight into your news feed.
ah? I see.
So what you call it, um when Russia attacked Ukraine,
Mm-hmm.
Dingima,
Yep.
I got that news. I got that news 4 hours before it released on BBC.
Honest.
Yeah. So BBC, they were like breaking news, but I knew that 4 hours before.
Holy shit.
So before it got released on BBC, I was already selling oil because Russia has huge oil reserves, and I was buying gold.
Abstract. Bro, send me a link to that.
Sure, sure.
Thanks, man. Yeah, but this bearish push here, like I'm anticipating it to be a bottom wick on the monthly time frame. Like, you get what I mean? Like,
Yeah, yeah.
it's just gaining momentum to push because I don't see this war ending anytime soon. Like, these other countries, I believe these other countries are gonna get involved. So this is kind of an uncertainty phase, and then if it pushes, I think we're gonna break the highs now because now we have two wars going on now, and that's like massive, like
Massive geopolitical shit.
yeah, I guess it's massive. So this pullback is like I'm getting in on these pullbacks. I'm getting in on buys, but I'm letting runners run, and if it runs, I just want to see how this monthly candle closes because I'm anticipating it to close bullish. Because yeah, because the last three times, like just looking at the monthly candle right now, like the last three times we tapped into this, like the monthly candle tapped into the 1970s level, 1985. The following candle shot straight up to 1920, 1924. So, like, I'm just
So
thinking,
you
man.
anticipating this as a fake out, eh?
Yeah, no, just like a pullback because the month is only beginning, so it's like I'm just anticipating it to be a bottom wick of the monthly candle, but I might be wrong. Who knows? So if I get in on any buys, like I'm gonna hold certain positions, anticipating it to be like the bottom week of the month. Oh, looks like this four support is holding, bro. Slowly starting to come back up now. Actually, back at entry. Ooh, 5 minutes broken about. Oh, there we go. Starting to push now.
So you might swing this one, huh?
Might I might come back in on like annual session and then look for a better entry to on like annual session. Like maybe a deeper liquidity grab, maybe. So like bro, like how I kept getting payouts from this TFT, like uh with this whole war thing and uncertainty in the world, like because there's so much volumes. This 1 hour support and resistance levels are like butter. This prices kept pushing through them, but yeah, like but these levels on the high time frames, like the weekly and monthly and daily, some of the time you get some reactions of them, and oh shit, okay, we have 10 pips now.
Oh, cool. Free money.
Honestly, almost scale $100 lap. I might just take $100 off the table. Just saying. But bro, you have a crypto wallet, right, bro?
Pardon?
Do you have a crypto wallet?
Oh no, I don't. I have a uh internet wallet, but it's not a crypto one. I use
Ah,
Wise.
oh, okay. Yeah.
WISE Wise.
Amstrad. Last time you checked it, why is it not? I don't think they handle accounts in PNG or kind of something. Me try. I don't
Nope.
know.
So I had to open a UK account and funnel money through there.
Ah, no wonder.
Yeah. So all service or UK number just use their
Amstrad.
address as a residential thing on the application.
Okay, bro. Amstrad.
And then they'll give you a Wise card. So you have a Wise Visa card. You can just walk around here and use it.
Okay.
So I'll get mine probably midway through this month. End of the month, it should arrive.
Amstrad. So got $100 right there. But Amstrad, bro. Like with this TFT thing. Yeah, I'm gonna go break even on this one first before.
I opened two lots. It's up at like $222 now. I'll
Scale.
take one pot off.
Man, I'm just gonna take everything off the table. Money and money, so I just got like 12 pips of this move right here.
Alright, cool. I'll just close everything then.
Yeah, because I think we could have a deeper liquidity grab during NY session, and then from there we could potentially have a push. Like, see, bro, with this whole war thing and the volume thing, man, I've just been looking at this levels on the high time frames. Uh, if I keep waiting for confirmations like how I used to before, like the 30 minute and the 1 hour, man, that's like throwing away uh like 300 pips on the table, or I'm not
Very
sorry,
true.
like not 300 pips, like throwing away like free money. So it's like, you know what, most of this payouts that I've been getting with TFT is based off higher time frame trades, anticipation trades, because this, you know, market conditions are haywire, bro. Also, when I see like a strong push towards these levels on the monthly and the weekly, especially, like this step here is also like these previous resistance levels over here. I've been playing around with this support and resistance levels on the weekly time frame. Like I got off sells over here at the top of here last week's candle high over here, off this weekly resistance at the 2008 level, like just anticipating it to hold. And then I had a buy over here, anticipating last week's candle to hold on this resistance. So these higher time frames, man, I barely look at
Making good
like,
money off.
yeah, bro, like this lower time frame levels, it's nothing with these conditions. Like the 1 hour, the previous 1 hour time frame support, and like, you know how I used to go back on the 1 hour time frame and look at this like support here. Remember,
Yeah, yeah.
I would take this into consideration, but man, with this war thing, like just butter, it's just smashing through it with all these levels over here too. So I'd rather look at the like the 4 hour support, 1 hour support, but I do take entries on the like the 1 hour and the 30 minute, and then I manage off the 5 minute. So because man, these high volume sessions, these 5 minute candles are like, yeah, that's a whole trade there, 14 pips. So, but it's just in and out, in and out. Like I try to get like even though I'm funded 450, I trade both accounts separately. I'm aggressive on the 50, very very conservative on the 400k. Holy shit! Thought this thing was plugged in.
Yeah, I sent you a screenshot as well. Quick in and out.
Where did you send it?
IG.
Oh shit, bro. Phone lo me must allow say that.
Check it later.
Yeah,
I'll
bro.
send you a contact. I'll send it back to you.
Right. Or you can put it on Discord now. We pop him up. I'll just put mine now. I just popped I took this trade on the 50k account, so just pop it on the one lot all. They are 109 bucks. Not bad. How much is that? Like 400 bucks.
Yeah, not bad.
Scale. Selling fuel coins. Yeah, bro. After this whole shift in the industry, like when they took out the 30-day limit, man, me cash out, lo. I cashed out on my live account. And I'm like, you know what? If I get a 400k account or 50k account, I'm gonna take forever to pass it.
Honest.
Yeah, bro. Like, Like, why would you have your 40K account like cash in a broker when you can just trade the same way on other people's money? Like 250 or with these discount codes and all that shit, you could really capitalize on those discounts. But yeah, bro, I was talking about the TFT thing. If you wanna join them, I think because of the payment issues and all that, bro, I think it's like I think it's best you create a crypto wallet with I use Binance, and man, payment blow I'm just quick. Yeah.
Oh, do they take Kina?
What Binance?
Yeah, yeah. Or
Uh,
do you have to open up another account for another country? Or
no, gotta. It's just like like an online trading platform, but they have a different section for wallets. So
okay,
so like when the whole what is the company again? My forex funds. Yeah,
yep.
thank lab this payment services they were like questioning all these other platforms, right? Why is questioning all what's this other one that they were using before?
Uh,
Interesting thing, yeah.
yeah, yeah. The one where you have to invoice them and they'll pay you that
Eh,
thing. I
man.
forgot.
Eh, man. So like after that, all these payment services were questioning them. So the only way they could do payouts now was through like through crypto, and like me too. I have no idea what crypto like where to go about to create a crypto wallet and all that shit. So me, I quickly went to Binance, created a crypto wallet with Binance. But man, slam opening my blue mail or something like some form of banking where you can like instead of like now when I get payouts from the 400K account, I don't put everything into into my bank now. I just leave some there. And the best thing too is like if you look at some currency or some crypto or you look at gold, like you look like if you see that it's gonna push, you can just convert your coins into like those commodities or currencies and all that. Like I had a payout with the 400K account when Bitcoin was pushing. So they paid it to my Binance, and instead of cashing out, me look was a Bitcoin pusher. I just converted it into Bitcoin and waited like 3 days just to get some extra money.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, and then I cashed out. So I'm like, oh shit. Okay. So if you
Oh,
wanna,
bro, I might actually open one up like right now.
bro, do it. Nah, me too. Make it up. Like I actually transfer some of my money to into my uh, Binance crypto wallet just to play around with this. I mean, just to put cash in with some of these commodities where they can grow. Bitcoin number nah. If me look at them slowly, like me just convert it, come go weekend or USD kind of stuff. So, holy shit, man! Man, if you had held, look at this shit. Could have trailed it, It's alright. Gold.
Always another day.
Yeah, bro. Like sometimes this happens. Sometimes we close and it keeps ripping, but um, it is what it is. That was a quick session, man. I always like it when I like down like down early, bro. Especially with these volumes, like with volume, like I wanna lose quick, and I wanna win quick, and that's it. If I lose, like let's go, close, done. If we win like this, I'm happy that I'm out. But yeah, like um, two confluences for these buys was the monthly time frame and the monthly resistance, previous resistance, which is also the 4 hour support level. So that's like higher time frame levels. So didn't necessarily need to wait for candle closures and whatnot. Just anticipated those levels to hold, and it held, and that was it. What you think about this trade, bro?
Very clean trade. I'm not actually looking at the charts, but I'm looking at it on
Ah,
your stream.
scale.
I took the trade off your screen, literally.
Right on. Because everything's like the weekly and the 4 hour. But yeah, we'll see. Um, maybe if like during NY session, if you push all the way up to 1980 or 1975, I might look for sells. But if we have a deeper liquidity grab, then we'll see if we can get some confirmations on getting in on buys. Just to anticipate
Yeah.
like this. Oh, look, very clean. Very clean rejection of this previous resistance area over here.
Break and retest kind of thing. Cool. I'm gonna see what happens the next 12 hours. See what type of structure is created. If it's a clean liquidity grab, should back up, or does it consolidate and stuff like that?
Yes,
If it
bro.
creates some structure, I'll see what I'm gonna do after that.
Like,
I'm gonna go look at some news as well. See what's happening.
awesome, bro. Like, this is what I'm thinking that could happen either way for buys and sells. If I see, then I want to capitalize. I'm just gonna draw it on the screen. So like this 4 candle closes. So like maybe if we get something like this, and then maybe like oh actually like if we get something like oops, like if we get something like this for the next hour candle, and if I come back on the NYSE hour candle and I see a red like a red candle like this, then I could potentially anticipate like another deeper liquidity grab over here. But if I see the lower time frames, if we come back and trade below this 4 hour support over here, and if I see like a 1 hour candle closure back above this support, like so, on the lower time frames, then I'll anticipate like all this move down here to be like a fake out for us to potentially drive. I'm still getting used to this laptop, bro. So don't mind my messy drawing. So
Okay. All right, brother. That was a good trade, good session.
cheers,
I'm gonna call
bro.
it here, and if I find anything interesting with the news, I'll let you know.
Yeah, bro. I think I'm gonna be active a lot more now on Discord. So if anything, if you see
Okay, cool.
anything, then just
All right,
post
see
it
you,
on
brother.
Discord. Cheers, bro. Thanks for tuning in. Appreciate you, bro.